Hello dear students, how are you? I hope everybody is great. Today we are going on Unit 5, the television. Let's see more. TV programs and film genres we are talking about again. And what is your favorite TV program? This is the question. What is your favorite TV program? Let's think about it. And cartoons we see here, Simpsons. It's a very famous cartoon program. And we have some objects, commercials for selling something or to get attention, advertisements. We say commercials, okay. And here, sports program. Series, TV series. It begins or weekly or daily it can be series. And news. You get information, daily informations on TV. And also we have weather forecast. We are talking about air conditions. And talk show. In talk show, famous people talk about their new song, maybe new book, okay? Mainly one moderator and asks questions for famous people. And here, soap operas. Soap operas is a kind of TV series, and mainly their theme is romance, and maybe you like it. And quiz show, Wheel of Fortune. This is a kind of quiz show, and asking questions and answers, you get some prizes, maybe money prize. Who wants to be millionaire, remember? A kind of quiz show. And documentary about wildlife. We learn information about something on documentaries. A music program. Mostly we can listen music programs in Turkey also. Here, sitcom. What is sitcom? It's sitting and comedy. They are together. Sitcom. It's mainly takes only one place. Not so much places they have a scene. No, sitcom. Here, what's that? Very ugly and horrible horror film. Now we were talking about film genres. Horror film here. And western is about, cowboys. Western. And action and adventure, we can say this kind of films, action film. And here, do you see behind something is coming? And thriller, a kind of horror, but thriller is also scary thing, okay. And science fiction. And we can say shortly sci-fi. Science fiction about space, aliens, mostly fictional things, okay. And historical, gladiators, it dates back very early in the history, so historical we say. And adventure. Pirates of the Caribbean, remember? Adventure films. And the next question, how much do you know about TV programs? Now, we have some information here. We will try to guess which TV program or which film we can guess together, okay. Contestants, sometimes as a part of a team, play a game which involves answering questions and solving problems. So answering questions, so what can it be? Quiz show. Okay, contestants, people who joins this quiz show. We call them contestants. And the next information, non-fictional, fictional and non-fictional. Non-fictional film about science, wildlife, history, etc., primarily for the purposes of giving information. You get information about wildlife, remember? So what's that? Documentary. Yes. Educational things. They are educational. And it gives information about what happened or what is happening now. For this, you should watch the news. You get information, daily information for what is happening. And it gives information about atmospheric conditions, you know, climate change maybe, and also rainy, sunny, foggy. So we should watch weather forecast for this. And the next one, what it says, it's a short advertisement of a product, ad. Also, you can shortly say ad for it. Advertisement of a product, commercial. They try to sell us more products, so they give commercials on TV. Now let's go to cinema. Okay, what type of film is this? Silverado. What is the type of this film? Can you guess it? Western. You are right. The next one is coming. What type of film is this? Toy Story. So animated. You are great. Animated film. Cartoon and animated. Animated films, they have more graphical issues more than cartoons, so we say animated movie. What type of film is this? Avatar. So it is science fiction, sci-fi. It is not real, fictional, so we can say science fiction. What type of film is this? Pirates of the Caribbean. Remember, adventure, action and adventure, and we call it adventure mainly. Okay, Mr. Bean looks very funny. What type of film is this? What can it be? Right, comedy. We call comedy. So let's see the next one. What type of film is this? The Kid. Do you remember this man? Very important man, Charlie Chaplin. He is the king of a silent movie. Silent movie, no words, just acting and mimes and gestures he uses more. So we call silent. No voice, just black and white scenes. Remember, very old things, I think. So maybe you can search for Charlie Chaplin. And what type of film is this? Wind Talkers. So we see some soldiers, some action here. So mainly war films. Okay. Very good. Ghostbusters. Do you know? The horror film is funny, amazing, boring, frightening, or educational. We have some adjectives here. Horror film is, I think, frightening, terrifying, scary. Okay, let's write there. That horror film is frightening. We have ghosts here and we are the Ghostbusters, so that documentary. Documentaries are, let's think about mainly what kind of programs. Funny, amazing, boring, educational, or terrible. When we think generally, we can say educational. So let's write there educational. Documentary is educational. This comedy is interesting, enjoyable, surprising, terrible, funny. Comedy is mainly about laughing, smiling, so we can say funny, I think. So this comedy is funny. And the science fiction film is boring, enjoyable, surprising, amazing, terrible. What can you say about science fiction? Science fiction, and look at the emoji here, emoticons. Surprising? Right. It is surprising. It's a surprise for you. Shocking. Good job. Thank you very much. We got all ghosts there. Thank you for watching. This is the end of our lesson. See you on next class. Goodbye.